If you have been missold car finance, then you may be eligible to receive a free no-win, no-fee claim. This is because some car finance companies may not have been completely honest with you about the terms and conditions of your finance agreement. If you have been missold car finance and have a valid claim, then you may be entitled to receive a refund of the finance you have already paid, as well as any additional costs that you have incurred as a result of the finance agreement. If you have been missold car finance, there is a good chance that you are not alone. A recent survey found that 1 in 5 people have been missold car finance in the past. And, unsurprisingly, people who have been missold car finance are more likely to end up in debt. If you receive poor advice on your financing options, incurred unexpected fees and costs, or were not sufficiently made aware of the various commissions being charged within your agreement, you may have been a victim of missold motor car finance. This could be the case if you receive poor advice on your financing options. If this describes your situation, then you might be eligible for financial compensation. You are able to file a claim for any missold finance agreement that was entered into within the past 10 years. The amount that you are owed will depend on a number of factors, such as the size and duration of the loan, as well as the difference between the interest rate that was offered and the rate that you should have received by law. The Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) discovered that commission was paid on 95% of personal contract purchase (PCP) agreements in the UK. You could be entitled to thousands of dollars in compensation for being missold auto loan if you were not informed about this commission or if the financing package was not appropriate for you. Find out if any of the missold PCP solicitors on our panel can assist you. If you purchased your vehicle using a car finance contract, your lender is required to advise you of exactly what is included in that deal in order to fulfill any legal or ethical obligations they may have. You are going to need to do some research before you can make a selection that will ensure you get the best possible financial package. It is not possible for people who sell cars to operate in their own self-interest. You might be eligible for missold PCP vehicle loan compensation if you feel that you were not adequately informed about the terms of your PCP arrangement and the fees that were associated. If you believe that you were missold a financing contract and now feel as though you are imprisoned, you may be entitled to thousands of dollars in compensation. Even if you haven't suffered any financial losses, you may be eligible to file a claim for PCP mis-selling if the auto financing package you chose isn't suitable for you and your current state of affairs financially. It's possible that you could be due thousands of dollars if you financed a vehicle using a PCP or HP plan between 2007 and October of this year. What are the most typical categories of claims for missold automobile financing? You may have been sold a PCP vehicle loan agreement on the wrong terms for a number of reasons, the most important of which being the following. Commission that is not publicized or disclosed. According to a report by the FCA, it's possible that thousands of clients were wholly oblivious to the existence of any commission payments. It is considered a hidden, secret, or undisclosed commission if the bank does not advise you that the car salesman received a fee or commission for presenting the vehicle loan arrangement to the bank, even though the car salesperson did receive the fee or commission. You are entitled to receive information regarding any and all costs associated with the transaction from the financial institution or supplier of financing. Methods of persuasion involving intense pressure.